So first, let's think about data cycles. So what comes to mind when you think about a data cycle? For some of us, it might be PDSA, Plan, Do, Study, Act. Then we have database inquiry. For a second, I question if it's PSDA, but I'm pretty sure it's PDSA. Lots of acronyms in education, right? Short cycle improvement, PLC cycle, improvement cycle. You may have heard of DataWise from Harvard, a teaching and learning cycle, improvement planning. All of these are different words that basically mean the same thing. And it means that we're looking at data in a cyclical way. So if we're thinking about that data cycle, most cases, you could pretty much take all those different cycles that we talked about and look at them with three main steps. You have the collect step, the analyze step, and then the act step. Some of them start at different points. So there are times when you are collecting first, there are times when you are acting first, but remember that it's cyclical. So no matter what, we are going around in that cycle over and over again and trying to make sure that we are making decisions that are best for our students. And I want